My colleague Frits Steenhuisen is flying this drone over the grave field of Utrenoskøya on Spitsbergen, Svalbard. You see on the right Koos de Vries from Medusa scanning graves, and on the left you see a group of 4 archaeologists. They are describing the graves, measuring, looking if there's a coffin inside and what the status is with erosion. It's a beautiful graveyard, 17th century whalers, 400 years old, but the graves are deteriorating on the southern slope close to the sea. Also, Wouter is here with his ground penetrating radar.